If your Whirlpool electric range is not heating properly, displaying error codes, or refusing to turn on, the main control could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Locate the blue wire at connection CON2 pin 1 and the red wire with the white stripe at connection CON4 pin 3. Extreme care should be taken to avoid electric shock, which can cause serious injury. Do not attempt live voltage testing if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter around energized circuits. Plug the power cord back in. Set your multimeter to volts AC, which looks like a V with a squiggly line. With the oven set to broil, measure voltage between the blue wire and the red wire with white stripe. If you do not read 240 volts AC, the main control board is the likely issue, but we'll confirm by testing the sensor. Unplug the power cord, disconnect the sensor harness. Set your multimeter to ohms, the symbol that looks like an upside down horseshoe. Test across the 2 wires on the oven sensor. A good sensor should measure between 1000 to 1200 ohms at room temperature. If the resistance is within range and no voltage was present at the main control in the earlier test, the main control board has failed. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Take a picture of how the wires are connected for reference. Disconnect the wires and remove the mounting screws. Here's the old main control and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the control and secure it with the mounting screws. Reconnect the main control and the oven sensor wires. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Plug the power cord back in. Great job tackling the main control replacement on your Whirlpool electric range. We'd love to hear about your repair experience, so please feel free to share it in the comments below. If you need any parts for future projects, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. We've got you covered with quick delivery, as most orders arrive within just a few days. Thanks for choosing us as your repair partner, and we look forward to guiding you through your next do-it-yourself endeavor.